kinda feels like this. Oh, hey, would you stay with me till the sun goes down? Being with you is so easy. Hey, if you want, honey, you can stick around. I don't know what it is about you, but you look so fine, riding shotgun in my car. Top down when driving on the highway. The wind in our hair makes us look like movie stars. And you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. I just wanna be close to your body, close to.
Good morning, Fry guys. So as you guys can tell, I am planning for, like, decorating for a birthday party, slash planning also, because I really don't know what the plan is. But our oldest turned 12 on Wednesday, and we're having a bunch of her friends over. I'm not exactly sure how much I'm going to get filmed of the party because I'm not going to put other people's kids in our videos, especially people that I don't know. And but she did say that she wanted me to film her opening presents and stuff, since I can blur their faces and everything. But I'm going to go around and show you the decorations. One thing that you're going to notice is that we're stinking hot, and you want to know why? Because our air conditioner went out. There's something broke, and we now have to go get it. Now we have to get it fixed, but they can't fix it until tomorrow morning, and the party is tonight. So it's gonna be a little warm, but we're doing a slip and slide and a sprinkler kind of thing. I bought a big rainbow sprinkler to go over the slip and slide. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun. The girls are gonna love it. So I'm not too concerned. I'm just really hot, and honestly it's hotter up here than it is downstairs, and this is where they're gonna be sleeping tonight. So I brought an extra fan up. Everything is not staying taped, unfortunately. I brought an extra fan, which is right there. That should help quite a bit. It already is helping quite a bit up here, so that's good. Yeah, I'm gonna show you all the decorations that I have done so far up here, and then I will show you the cake table downstairs. Okay, so that last thing that I just did was the sprinkler. It's pretty cool, and I am like shorter than it. Like, here I am, and there it is. So I think it'll be perfect. And I think the girls are going to love it. What we're gonna do is put a slip and slide right in here in the middle, like outside of course, and they can just go right through it, and it'll be so fun. Here's the cake table. I will show you a better version of it later. My cousin is making cookies, and she's gonna decorate the cake, and my mom baked the cake and iced it last night. So, but this is the cake table. This is the little backdrop that I got. And then this just says happy birthday. I thought it was super cute. Just a simple cake table for down here. We are going to have pizza for dinner and stuff. So this is the tarp that we're doing for the slip and slide. I can't think of anything else. I'm gonna make drinks. I need to do the dishes and stuff too, but right now I'm going to turn the lights off and let it get cooler in my house. That way when Morgan comes to help me finish decorating later, my house isn't steaming hot.
Hey, what you say. Wanna stay in a hotel, champagne and room service all night. Girl, I know this ain't no plaza, but I think we'll be alright. Ooh, come on. Isn't this really what life is all about? Doing what you can to have a good time. But baby, when I'm with you, I have the time of my life. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. Come on. Oh, you make me sing, yeah. Ooh, you make me sing, yeah. I just wanna be close to your body, close to your body, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be close to your body. Give me some sugar, honey, close to your body. Oh, I just wanna be. Oh, I just wanna be, yeah.
Alright. Oh, Hey, I'm looking for a couch to crash on. Tonight shouldn't be the night I go home with anyone. I've been out walking on a rougher patch now, but I must say, living on the edge of things has been kind of fun. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. I'm not usually the one who acts out. All those crazy little things we all kinda dream about. A good thing we are running out of sunlight. It's not necessary for these guys to know all about. Look, there's a bruise right here, one or a few on there. Man, did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on the show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things, alright. All of the cups are out of sight. You wanna drink 'cause I can buy. You're dancing on the table, so am I. Did you see me though? 'Cause I sure put on a show. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. I'm dancing on the tables and I must say I got a taste for flipping out. I'm glancing at the haters and I know they wish they did the shit I did tonight. You wanna break some things.
Oh no!
You're dancing on the table.
Pineapple is big, right? No. Okay. Just making sure.
Are you allergic? Yeah. You're allergic to pineapple? Don't eat any.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted?
So it is way too late. The girls ended up being downstairs in the living room because it is so hot upstairs, but it was a good birthday party. It went well. It reminded me a lot of my birthday parties when I was a kid, and I think that's probably why I did it the way I did it, because it was one of my favorite parties. But anyway, I'm gonna end this vlog. We may go to the fair tomorrow, we may not, so I don't know. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Don't forget to be the reason somebody smiles today, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.
Will you take me